Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Wash hands and clean the play area with soap and water before you start. Gather a small pot, a wooden spoon, 1 cup warm water, and pretend broth made from 1 teaspoon vegetable stock powder for safe play. Choose soft, clean toy vegetables and cut them into small pieces about 1/2 inch so they look like soup ingredients but do not present a choking risk. Keep a damp cloth nearby for spills and supervise play. Explain that this is pretend soup for dolls only. Simmer 1 cup warm water and 1 teaspoon stock powder on low heat for pretend broth, keeping the pot cool to touch if using real heat alternatives. Add soft toy noodles or cut fabric strips measuring about 3 inches to mimic noodles, and tuck in small soft vegetable pieces for color. Stir gently for 2 to 3 minutes while talking to the doll about warmth and comfort. Use this time to teach pouring, stirring, and safe pretend, serving with a plastic ladle or spoon. Serve the pretend soup in small plastic bowls, filling each bowl about 1/3 full for safe doll play and easy handling. Allow the soup to cool to room temperature before giving it to the doll to avoid burns, and demonstrate gentle feeding gestures while naming ingredients to build vocabulary. After play, wipe bowls and utensils with soap and water and store all pieces together. Check small parts for damage, discard unsafe items, and remind children this recipe is for dolls and not for eating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.